the day she wore that dress. You put a book on it, your Woody wouldn't quit. Think of disgusting things and don't encourage it. And then it starts to ache, zipper's about to break. You're using every trick to try to chin your trouser snake. Listen and listen good, don't cover up your wood. A Woody never should.